Good morning! Good morning, guys! Today is Sabado, and pupunta kami Kinalay. And yung video today, guys, is Mr. Cannot Say No. He's in the shower right now, so hindi pa kami nagsisimula. I just finished my makeup. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung ginamit ko, guys. So, ito yung ginamit ko the whole week, this week sa work. Hindi itong shade na to, pero itong lipstick na to. So, the Set Beauty, yan. Yung lip sheer niya, yun yung nilalagay ko muna. And then, the Set Beauty lipstick. This one, hindi ko na alam kung ano yung shade niya. Guys, commercial break muna. Ipapakita ko lang sa inyo, guys, kasi may promo yung Caris shop ko, guys. Exclusive lang siya sa shop ko talaga. Na kapag bumili kayo ng Set Beauty na set, yung Set Beauty na lipstick na merong kasamang lip sheer, guys, ito, set siya. Kapag bumili ka nito, meron kang marireceive na dalawa for free. So, itong apat for the price of one. So, makaka-receive ka ng lip shield for free at saka lip treatment. So, itong whole set, guys, for the price of one. Meron akong exclusive link. Ililive ko in the description box. So, sa shop ko lang siya available, guys. Wala sa iba. So, yeah, if interested kayo, guys, link will be in the description box. Puti na mukha ko tingnan. Hindi naman ako nag-foundation. Nag-ano lang ako, guys. Nag-concealer lang ako under my eyes, tapos powder. Anyway, I will be using this bag. Yung binili ko sa Pulse Warehouse. Punta tayo Kinalay ngayon, guys. Bigla ang lakad na naman. Yung plano sana namin is magkikita kami ngayong gabi. Pupunta kami sa, sa cinema, papanoorin namin yung excess baggage. Biglang nagbago ang plano, magkikita kami ng maaga. So, that's what we're doing. Sana hindi ganun kalamig kasi ito lang yung susuotin ko. I'm wearing a maxi dress. Sana hindi ko makalimutan yan. Hindi ko na maalala kung saan ko to na ano. Basta na si Mr. Ay, okay. Ako pipili ng damit niya, guys. You can't say no. Napag-usapan na namin to eh. Kasi gagawin sana namin to. When was that? Last weekend? Babe!
Yeah.
Good morning.
Morning.
Are you ready?
No, I'm just finishing out.
No, are you ready for today's video, my love?
Sure.
Yes. I'm gonna choose your clothes.
Sorry,
Good job. What do you think, babe?
I'll wear that one.
You don't get to choose. I tell you what to wear.
I'll wear that one.
Okay. Yeah, no. I was thinking of you wearing this because you haven't worn this. But let's go for the safe choice because we will go to the cinema tonight. I don't want you to wear that to the cinema. Everybody will see you in the dark. They'll be like, "Ooh, dinosaur." Yes. Babe, are you ready? This is just the start, my love. Babe, you know where we're going today?
Where?
Secret. But you're driving.
Okay. When are you ready?
I'm ready now. Hindi pa niya alam, guys, na dun kami pupunta. Kasi yung plano nga kasi sana, sa gabi kami makikita. Biglang nag-text. Biglang nag-text ngayon lang na, yeah, dun kami. Nakalimutan ko yung coffee ko, guys. Nandito pala. Babe, can you get my snack in the bedroom, please?
What snack's that?
The snack that you gave me the other day.
With the what?
The light and easy snack. The one on my bench.
Okay.
Thank you. Pasta. Just kidding. Just kidding, my love. Nag-transfer yung lipstick, guys. Why do you use this? Thank you.
Try this or hey?
That's squishy. No, don't throw it away. No.
I think it's toxic.
I'm not gonna eat it. It's squishy. Itapo niya pa. Ano ka? Ito yung kakainin ko. Chickpea chips. Binigay niyo to sa akin like, the other day ata. Kakalimutan ko kainin. Dadalhin ko sana sa work eh. Kaya lang, wala na. And Friday na. Napaka-healthy niya. Yung pagkain na pag kinain mo parang napaka-healthy nito. Chips siya. Try it, babe. Is it good?
Yeah. You like it?
It's alright. Do you want to tell them about your tattoo?
Tattoo?
Yeah.
What tattoo?
Can you show them your tattoo, please?
It's only a little tattoo.
Show them. Show them. Come on, let's show them.
Why?
You can't say no. Just show them. What's that, babe?
It's a lion's head. I got it 18 years ago.
Why?
Because I was cool back then.
Is that your only tattoo, my love?
Nah, I got more.
What?
I got a big one on my back.
You can't lie. No lying today, please. Is that your only tattoo?
My only tattoo.
Guys, dadalhin ko tong mga damit. Yung mga damit na hindi kasya sa akin, ibibigay ko sa mga Inday. Kung may magkasya sa kanila, kung kasya sa kanila na. Kung hindi, i-donate natin, guys. So, konti lang yung nakuha ko kasi yung iba nasa karton pa. I-go through ko pa yun kapag may time. Ito lang yung nasa ibabaw eh. So, ito. Yung iba, hindi na naka-plastic. Tinapon ko na. Okay. Yan. Hindi pa din niya alam kung saan kami pupunta. Ang alam niya, dadalhin ko siya somewhere out there. Are you finished with my wallet? Nagbo-book siya ng parking para bukas, guys. Kasi punta kami Sydney bukas for a day. So, punta kami doon. Tapos, balik agad-agad. So, we will catch the earliest flight papuntang Sydney. And then, catch the latest flight pabalik dito bukas. O, diba? Char-char kami. Ano pa pinunta ko dito? Perfume.
Where we going?
Cigarette.
Where?
Go to your mom's house. I mean, towards your mom's house. On the way to your mom's house. Go. This place, you haven't been before.
I haven't been before.
You haven't been there before, no.
Is it just us going or is people there?
No, it's just, maybe. Maybe you will see some familiar faces, my love. Babe, go towards your mom's house. You ready for this adventure?
Sure.
Parang saan pupunta pa? Hindi niya alam. Oh, wala. Kalimutan ko. Mayroon pala akong ka-texture. Guys, na-fail tayo. Nakalimutan ko dalhin yung bag, yung inano ko kanina. So sabi ko, kailangan natin balikan yung bag. Sabi niya, bakit natin kailangan balikan yung bag? Sabi ko, kailangan natin dalhin kinalay. So punta tayo Babe, you haven't been to that place before.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
Balikan natin sa... Uy, fail! Such a fail!
You failed.
Take regional jobs picking fruit. The Prime Minister says a program will be established to recognise where the
Ano ba
shortfalls are.
yan?
The farmers listing
Kalimutan ko kasi. Dala-dala ko yung kanina. Ano bang ginawa ko? Ay, pumasok ko sa kwarto, nag-perfume. Ay, nako, babe.
Are we going home at all or we're going straight to the movies?
We're going straight to the movies.
Okay.
Good news for commuters.
Are you alright with your outfit? Do you need a jacket?
Now with every second service
Nah, we're
getting down to the
I think I will need a jacket.
You'll need a jacket, yeah.
Oh, shoot. Okay, I'm glad we're going home then.
The government
I'll grab a jumper just in case.
Yeah, I'll grab a jumper. Biskot ay fail. Tuloy buang talaga to si Race. Babe, who's a fail?
You are.
I don't wanna go in, babe. Can you go in? I don't wanna go in.
What jacket do you want?
Oh, shoot. I have to go in. Okay, never mind. I'll go in. Babe, do that again. You gotta do it again, my love.
Who do you want to send it to?
Razel.
What do you want to say?
Stop stealing my money.
Your message to Razzle says stop stealing my money. Ready to send it?
Send.
That's not what you did earlier.
That's exactly what I did earlier.
Hey, this is a yes day. Stop playing around. I told you to do what you did earlier.
Who do you want to send it to?
Razel.
What do you want to say?
I love you.
Your message to Razzle says I love you. Ready to send it?
Send.
Thank you, babe.
Okay, it's sent.
Now show them how I drive. Magkaiki ay dyan ang lubot. Over. Mag-move dyan ang kamot. Bot gini buang eh. Is that how I drive?
That's exactly how you drive.
My bum pops out like that? Like you're cute. Can you sing the song, please?
I don't know the words.
Just sing.
Every way to hell or shine. You're beautiful, no matter what they say. Your words don't bring us down.
Galing ah.
You're beautiful, no matter what they weigh.
What?
Can't bring us down. Oh, to crying today.
Good job, my love. Yay! Who's guapo?
You are, babe.
Uy, guapo is for the boys only.
You're our boy.
You're a boy. Hello! Hindi ka lang mag-vlog?
Dami kong video kasi na ano.
Pahinga ka muna. Rest day mo.
Rest day ko.
Day off niya, guys. Dito na kami. Di ba machi-machi kami? Blue. Hello, people.
Oo nga, blue tayong lahat.
Oo nga.
Yellow.
Si Dan, nagpunta sa bahay ng best friend niya. May dinrap. Nabalik yun. Ano siya, anong tawag doon, Day? Umiiwas. Umiiwas siya sa mga pangyayari. Pinakanta ko siya kanina. Sabi niya, hindi ko alam yung words.
Kakantay mo na Tagalog, tapos babasahin mo na ng lyrics.
Paglalaroan ka, wawa naman eh.
Pwede na siya, 1 year old na siya.
Sarap? Sarap. Gumawa sila ng guys.
Ano yung tea na ginamit mo,
Milk
Kahit ano.
tea
Black
na may
tea.
tapioca. Yung gamit niya, evap. Yung sa akin kasi condense. May, siya. Tapos meron siyang tapioca na may honey. So, matamis na siya, guys.
Ito
Yummers!
yung ano, oh. Yung tapioca, sobrang biis niya.
Saan? Ay, hala, oo. Okay.
$5 lang yan, Nay.
Tapos marami na, no? Dito na si Love, guys. Somewhere out there.
So,
Si Tony naghihintay ng kanyang sundo. Kanina pa yan. Golf na yan. Asa na yung sundo niya? Ulam, sinigang. Hi, baba. Ganda mo Char. And nagluto sila ng kagabi daw, sitaw. Yan.
Hi guys!
Ay, nandito ka na pala. Char.
Magiging tahimik na ako kasi energy ko eh. Ganun.
So, hi daw,
Hi guys!
Char. Demure.
Ayoko eh! Kain na tayo!
Haul tayo, guys.
Meron na ako.
Meron na.
Pupunta tayo sa beach.
tingin tayo.
Oo nga, tara na sa beach.
Uy,
Ganda ng weather. Oo nga.
Swimming tayo. Dahil kahit sa
So ano talaga, magsiswimming o manonood ng movie? Iyan ba? Pang Christmas!
Kay ano yan, Lai?
Kay Lord.
Kasya sa'yo yan, Lai.
Alin yun?
Pang Christmas yan.
Oh, backless o char. Ano na naman tayo, nag-hold.
Mag-ano naman.
Ayan. Sexy niyan, Lai.
Hello. Labas sa mga daddy natin ito. Ay, pala.
Hindi, meron naman.
Yan, Lai, top. Kaso yan sa'yo. Patutoy. Small. Oo nga eh.
Guys, ang liit ko na talaga sa mall na ako.
Dito edit ko lang. Wala ko dyan.
Siya, grabe ko.
Luto na lang.
Guys, si Dan wala pa. Uy, yung Don't Say No challenge natin, nawalay na. Hindi pa bumabalik. Magluluto sila ng
Yung ano.
Kwek!
Kwek tayo guys. First na.
Okay, kwek na kami kasi sila aalis na. Hindi siya makakakain na. Kwek! Sinong kawawa?
Sa'yo yan, Day. Guys, maghingi ako ng guys, ng mask niya. Bus na kasi yung ko day, mga
Supply?
Hindi ako bumibili ng mask, guys. Humihingi lang ako. Dito ay. Pahingi ha.
Online
Madami.
Yun. Wala sila.
Ilan? Dalawa?
Oh guys, oh, tingnan mo. Ganda ng kuko.
Char! Kwek kwek! Manang sauce. Siya si Manang. Manang sauce.
Ikaw na, masarap na yun.
Tikman mo na, love.
Tinikman ko na yung ano.
Hindi pwede. Tikman mo lahat.
Ina ni Jord.
Siyempre. Hindi ka ba marunong kumain ng kwek kwek? Oh, ang init.
Mainit.
Ang init. Ang init ng ilalim mo. Kasi... Bakit kasi? Oo nga, sinubo lahat. Hello? Are you drunk?
Why do we drink?
Kailangan ba na
Daba. Nag-hi ka, Lai? Silay, nag-hi? Silay, hindi ko narinig eh.
Sabay kasi kami kambal.
Babe! Look after baby Vic. Yeah.
Dito kaya.
Bantayan mo yan, ha?
May tubig.
Hiwalay na naman kami ni Dan, guys. Nood kami ng movie. Kasama ko. Bakit?
Tingnan mo yun. Bakit? Yung dinadaan ng bagyo, guys. Yung car ng bunso. Bagyo, ba?
May mga package, oh. Sama ko si Lai at saka si, guys, Kat. Si Love umuwi na kasi may party pa yun. So, si Dan, ihatid siya ni Neil dun sa car nila, Kat. Girls night.
Hindi ako nag-vlog.
Oo nga. Okay lang, marami ka namang vlog pa. Yan si Kat.
Make sure you got the car, babe.
Make sure I lock the car? Yeah, I will. Oh, just take your wallet now.
Fine now.
Alright, bye.
Okay, good.
Love you.
Love you.
Mwah.
Especially what it was ago.
What do you need from me?
I don't need money.
You don't need money?
Wala ka diyang katay.
Hala, baka ano. Can you clear out the back, please, babe?
Clear.
It's clear naman, day.
Guys, papunta kami doon sa kabila. Paakyat yun. Na-sold out yung ticket na pang 7, guys. So, binook namin 8:30. Grabe yung powers ni Carlo Aquino. Na-book yung punong-puno. Daming Pilipino dito. Filipino party. Ay, sorry, day. Grabe, be. Meron kami, guys. Nag-order kami, guys, ng mango, alisan. Tapos kay Kat, lychee. Yan. O, diba? Pa-fruity kami para namang ayaw na namin ng milk tea. Sila walang in-order. Ayaw niya daw. Diet ka, love.
Parinig mo lang.
Dito na kami, guys.
See? Sabihin ko ka tayo, manood na kami yung movie lagi.
O, diba? Ano yung pinrest mo? Ano yung mga purse dito, guys?
Hindi ko alam kung anong pinrest mo.
Hindi naman nag-work yung... ito. Oh, gumagalaw yan, guys.
$11 lang. Mas mura pa movie sa
$11. Magkano ba yung movie sa iba?
14, 18.
Ay, hulo din na kayo. Makakatulog ako nito.
Gisingin na lang kasi pagtapos na yung movie.
Oo nga. Ay, bongga, guys. O, ganyan. Ikaw, Lai, naka-ano ka na? Ay, bongga. Hala, sayang. Wala si Don. Tutulog lang yun. Ganda, guys. Tapos na kami, guys. Ano masasabi mo kay Carlo Aquino?
Papumunta. Oh! Akin ka na lang.
Akin ka na lang. Lai,
Sorry man. Uy!
oh, nagalit si Kot. Natapos ang movie, nagalit siya. Hindi namin alam bakit.
Papasarado niyo yung TV.
Sabi yan, ba yan? Anyway, uwi na kami, guys. Hindi natin sila ito si Kat. So, kasaan pa tayo dito dahil. Ano ba itong suot ko? Hey guys, kanina pa ako dumating. Nagpack ako agad-agad. Kasi wala pala talaga ako nasimulan kanina. So, nagmili pa ako ng mga susuotin. Kailangan ko ng 3 outfits bukas. Bukas ko na-explain kung bakit kami pupunta ng Sydney. Sobrang thank you guys for watching our video today, babe. The plan was a bit of a fail. Pero we will do that again. And it's gonna be better, people. So, pasensya na, guys.
What video?
You can't say no. It didn't really turn out to be you can't say no. Because you went to your friend's house and didn't come back for a couple hours. Umalis siya, guys. Iniwan niya ako kinalay. Tagal niya bumalik. Sabi niya, sandali lang daw siya. Pero okay na din kasi kapag pumunta yung
What kind
kinalay,
of
wala akong pants, guys. Okay na din kasi wala din siyang kausap kapag siya lang dun mag-isa. So, kawawa naman. Anyway, kailangan namin gumising ng 3:20, 3:30. So, good luck sa amin, guys. Stop. Okay. I'm wrapping up. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video kung na-enjoy nyo. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget to be goodbye. Good night, guys. Good morning. Mwah.